The Kaleidoscope Center, a beautiful vision, is an ambitious new chapter which includes an environmentally green arts building and community center for all of our students, as well as a commitment to growing our diversity scholarship endowment.
Montessori, it's been in my life for a long time. Since I was a little kid, I always kept thinking of the triangle, which is, the family, the teacher, and the child. And that just couldn't be any more true at the new school.
We're all thinking about sustainability and the world around us for ourselves and for our children, and I think this community allows a space to tie in our past as well as our future.
This will be a space that is alive with all of our students. And the teachers will also be sharing it, and just that interaction will add a lot of heart to the space as well.
When I think of the Diversity Endowment, and when I think of the Kaleidoscope Center, and where it's going to take us to the next 50 years, and what it's responding to in this moment, is a call to action.
What's the right thing to do for this world the way it is today? How do you build today? What does it really mean? How do I relate in the way I live, in the way I go to school, in the way I work, and everything I do? How do I relate to the rest of the world? And what can this building do to help me learn that, understand that, and embody it?
We are not invisible and we are not in a bubble. Our presence makes a difference.
When I think about the investments that I want to make in the future, a space that allows for my kids to be curious about the future, to be thinking about the world that they want to create, a world in balance, an equitable world that acknowledges history and leans into creativity and connection and relationships. To me, that is exactly a Montessori space and environment in a Montessori context, and so I'm so glad to be supporting the Kaleidoscope Center.
The Kaleidoscope Center is an extraordinary development which will be an epicenter for the arts and community conversations. The building itself will adhere to some of the highest earth-friendly standards in the industry and serve as a teaching tool for students to learn how and why we need to take care of our planet. This space will deepen our relationship with each other and our world.
The new school was founded on an ethic of creating a safe space for children of all ages and all sizes and all colors and from everywhere in the world. The Diversity Endowment will create the kind of the nitty-gritty that helps make that happen in a different way.
I truly believe that we are all interrelated. We are nature, and even the physical space is important. And it reflects a place of connection or separation, a place of hierarchy or community.
It will allow other families that look like mine and look like yours to set their children off on a really amazing trajectory that will allow them to flourish at the new school Montessori and hopefully for a lifetime.
And to me, the Montessori education is the most important thing that we can be focused on for the future generation, because they're going to be dealing with things that we can't imagine. They're digging into complexities that we have yet not understood, and they're going to be creating things that we right now can't even fathom.
I gave to the Kaleidoscope Center because I want to be part of the future. I think when I walk in the space, I'll feel that level of connection in a different way.
For me, the Kaleidoscope Center is a real demonstration and a symbol to our community and for generations to come passing through it, to say that we're not just passing by in this world, we're not just idly here.
We're in a different place in time, in history, in cultural evolution. This is a foundation, and you can move into this building and you'll find you can use it the way you need to use it, because those needs evolve. And so it's an easy kind of thing to look at and say, would we support that? Of course we would.
So I've always believed in Montessori. #1 fan.